What's up YouTube, Gail with Check This Gadget here, coming to you with an unboxing and size comparison for the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This is my first Z Flip, not my first foldable phone, but my first Z Flip flip phone. And I ordered this one directly from the Samsung website. Got the black model. I also got some free accessories with it. So I added on, because you know you got the $200 credit. So I added on the Tab A7 Lite, even though I don't need another tablet. I mean, it's free, why not? Use it for something. Got a wireless charger duo. So for the watch, for your phone, hopefully, oh, and for my buds, hopefully that works. And then I got the dual power adapter because, as you can see, the boxes are thin. They are taking Apple's lead here and no longer including the power adapters, unfortunately. But the reason I like this one is the dual. So you get the USB-C and you get the typical USB-A plugs, and I plan to use that for one for my Samsung devices and this one for my Android devices. I'm sorry, Apple devices. So I can have two things in one. The USB-C is going to get you the full 35 watts. The regular USB-A is going to be at 15 watts, which is still, you know, fast. So those were the free goodies that I got for the flip. Oh, I'm forgetting, I got more. Okay, so I got these three, all three of these came. And then I also got the two cases. So I got this case here, silicone case with the ring. The reason I got this case is specifically because of the ring. I was thinking with the flip phone, I was thinking how if I have like jeans on, I can have, you know, one of those little hooks on my jean loop and hook it to the phone or something like that. That's kind of the idea I had with getting this one. This is just something different. It also has like a little, I think I might be able to squeeze a hook. I probably have to get like a regular key ring, then put a hook on there. But this little strap here gives it for something different. On the website, it looked a little darker, but it's definitely in person, a bright orange. There's definitely a bright orange and a navy. So I was able to get all 5 of these things with my credit. I think I might have went slightly over by like maybe $6. I don't know, but it all worked out. So just gonna do a quick unboxing and then a quick size comparison of the flip to the Galaxy S21, which is what I have, that's the phone I'm going to be trading in. I was able to get $550, and I'm going to also show a comparison to the Note, just so you guys can have a size comparison. So first thing, get the phone here. Oh, so there's a tab here. Just pull up. Feels good so far. And nothing on the bottom. Your card is in here. And it's just a regular USB-C to USB-C. And you just have a quick start guide. The Premiere thing. And then here is your quick start guide with the screen cover and everything. For anyone that's interested in the papers, I know sometimes people do unboxings and don't show everything. This is just showing about the Z Premiere, give you a Galaxy a code to scan, register your account, all that good stuff. So that's it. It's just the phone and this. Let me take it out the plastic here. Well, before I take out the plastic, let me do a quick size comparison. So here is the regular S21. Okay, so height-wise, it is taller. Weight-wise, just going off regular weight without knowing the specs, slightly, definitely can feel slightly the slight heavier weight than this one, but not by much at all. So let me just put them together to help give you, it looks, on the eye test, it looks a little thinner than the S21. You can see that difference in that height right there. So not too bad. That'd definitely be, well, actually I'm gonna have to get used to that because this phone folds. But definitely probably get used to it when I open it. Even the S21 was a little taller compared to the S20. I liked the S20 size. I wish I would have got that phone, but the S21 was coming out, so I was like, there's no point in getting the S20 when the S21's coming out. So definitely getting this screen being taller will be something to adjust to, but I'm very, very, very interested in the additional flip features that this phone offers. So here is a size comparison to the Note. So as you can see, it is it's basically right there with the Note, honestly. That's me. Okay, so you can see I'm holding at the bottom. It's basically as tall as the Note. The Note is wider, however. As you can see there, you can see the difference of the width. So if you are a Note user, and this is the Ultra, Note 20 Ultra. So if you have this one, it's essentially the same height. It's just the Note is slightly wider. So that is something to keep in mind. And put them side by side so you can get an ideal comparison. So S21, the Flip, and the Note. So that gives you your height difference. As far as, let me take this case off for the width difference here. Probably about the same size. The Note has corners, so it might be about the same size. Not a big deal. Of course, the weight wise, let's see. Weight wise, the Note feel like it's still a little heavier, and that's just without me knowing the additional specs and everything. Feels a little heavier. So that's a quick size comparison. And then let me go ahead and show you the black model. I got the black model here. It's been such a long time since I actually got a black phone, because you know, back in the day, phones used to only be black and whatnot. So I got away from that when they came out with all the other colors. So it's funny going back to a black phone. But we got the matte. This is a matte finish here, as you can see. And then of course this is glossy, reflective. But yeah, it looks very nice. Let me fold it for the first time. Oh yeah. All right. This is interesting. Definitely. You know, this phone reminds me, I wish I could remember the name of it. Sprint had a phone that folded over in half. I want to say, I can't remember who made that phone. I want to say HTC, but I'm not 100% sure. But my old phone lovers, y'all know, they used to have a phone that kind of folded over. I cannot remember, it had like a screen on the outside, of course. And this phone, just from folding it, not using it, it reminds me of that. So I'm definitely looking forward to this phone here. I like this black. I like that it's matte, so you're not gonna see a bunch of fingerprints. But I'm definitely looking forward to this phone. Should we try a case? This video's going a little longer than I expected, but hey, why not? Let's try the flip case because it's so different. Let's try this flip case here. 1 second, let me get this front plastic off. All right, so let's see how this flip cover case. So to just get we got the case here. Gives you a little instruction manual here on the back. And let's see, it looks like you just slide the bottom part in, slide the top part in. So we're gonna open it. I'm gonna open it back up. Very smooth. The hinge feels very smooth. Very, very smooth. So let me see, I think we just slide it down in there. And then trying to do all this on camera. Maybe I was supposed to put the top part on first. Oh, no, okay, boom. Pushed it and maybe slide up. Okay, hopefully that was correct. Okay, let's see if it folds correctly. All right, so here is a look at the flip. This is gonna look nice if you're out and you get like a little, get a keychain ring and then get a hook, and I'll probably have it like that, or maybe like that. I want it like this or that part can show, but yeah, okay. So this is how that, they have another color case of this. They have the white and, it's like white and lime green. So they only have 2 options right now. I'm sure Samsung will come out with more colors in the future. But then when you open it, so if anybody's wondering like what's going on with this loop, so the loop is here, and I think they made it like this to give you, so you can hold it. So I'll just put my 2 fingers back there, and it gives me grip, and I really like that actually. 2 middle fingers gives a nice grip. That's very handy. So it gives you that, or you can just pull and it'll just be dangling down. So that's nice. That's a nice, I'm liking that case. Definitely liking that case. And then let me, since I got the other case, I'll just go ahead and try on the other case too. So this is the green one, silicone. They had I think they had like 4 or maybe 5 colors in this one. This green, I thought I have to look at this. I thought it'd be just a hair darker. I knew it was like a light green, but I thought it'd be just a slight tad darker, but it's not bad. It's not bad, because I got the navy, I got the dark case, and now I have a light case. So let's let me try that one on there to see how it looks. Bear with me 1 second, getting this other case off. Okay, so same with me. This time I'll slide up the front. Or maybe I can't slide. I might have to. Let me see. I'm gonna slide down the bottom, or pop in the bottom, like you would do a regular phone. Okay. Slide in the top there. All right, something's going wrong with this one. I can't get the back part on here. Okay. All right, I think we got it. Okay. So here is this one. Now this one, got the ring here, so you can hang it on some things. Here's a light color case with the black. When you open it up, it just dangles right there. You can also use this to hold the phone. So it also gives you a nice little way to hold the phone. So that's what I do like. I do like that fact about these two cases. So over and all, I'm looking forward to using this phone. I'll try to come back, do a review. Looking forward to giving my overall thoughts of my first time using the flip style phone. I do have experience with the fold. Check out my next video for the unboxing of the Z Fold 3 with that one. And then here's all the stuff once again that was got for free. I don't know now that pre-orders are, I don't know if they're still doing pre-orders or not, because this is supposed to be coming out Friday and I got mine 3 days early. So you might still get some pre-order stuff in. The $200 credit, but pretty good deal. Ordered the phone, getting $550 trade-in for my S21. Got a tablet, dual charger, wireless charger, and 2 cases. Pretty good deal, I think. Pretty good deal. And then they also have the option where you can pay in payments to try it out first. So till next time, later.